friends, how are you? This is Alin from Excite. Today I'll show you how to use shape maps. I tried to use at work for a client and I had some troubles and I decided to make a tutorial. So let's start. So as I said, to create the shape map, we need to go to GitHub and we have all the JSON files for each country. I choose this country. After you download the file, the JSON file, the next step will be you go to the format in Power BI, you go to shape, you have here, you see I uploaded the JSON file. So let's delete first. We can see that the default one is United States. So you add map, you add just the JSON file. Bam bam, and you have the map of that country. What I calculated here is just I added the city, which will take the county of the Romania of each. The city belongs to a county from Romania, and after that I counted the emails from this country. Maybe you will ask yourself, why do you have so many colors? So what I did, I just put some rules there, the data colors. So wherever it's let's say under 5, that will be red. Wherever it's between 5 and 25, that will be, let's say, close to yellow. And wherever it's above the maximum, above 50, that will be the green part. So if you want to add more rules, this will do your job there. So I think this is very powerful and very important feature in Power BI. If you want to use it, go ahead. I think if you have any comments or any questions, please post them below. Thank you very much.